Well, basically I'd been out, delivered a load of firewood, was on my way back, and another car just came along and didn't take a corner, and I was just wrong spot, wrong time. After I'd been hit, this car ran into me. My truck that I was driving was a little firewood truck, was stuck on full revs, and there was smoke coming inside, and I actually thought I was going to be burnt alive. Two brave men, they jumped underneath it and cut a fuel line to stop it. It actually ran out of fuel. Nobody could turn it off. I can vaguely remember people breaking the windscreen and trying to get me out and that sort of thing, but I was stuck for 3 hours apparently. So I think my face was in 6 different pieces. I think there was 4 fractures on my face and my jaw. Right arm was broken. Right femur was broken. Hip was fractured. Knee was in 7 pieces. My ankle was broken. My calf was broken, and there's a couple of other little breaks and bits and pieces on my fingers. And Alison, my partner, reckons it was just like a scene from ER with. It took them 3 hours to cut me out. So yeah, she said there was police and there was fire trucks and there was ambulances, all with lights flashing. She said it was just an amazing scene. And then this helicopter turned up, and they were only there 15 minutes or so, and I was gone. So yeah, in and out, amazing. How many people can be that lucky, really, to be involved in an accident, have people that were brave enough to get underneath my vehicle, stop the vehicle, then to have a nurse there on hand, who just happened to be my second cousin that I hadn't seen in 40 years. It was just amazing. There is a story that goes with it, with the paramedic. Apparently I told him just to bandage me up and send me back to work, so I have no doubt in my mind that I wouldn't have a right leg now if I wasn't able to get me to Royal Perth as quick as they did. That was the fighting chance I needed.